Welcome back to another video for you guys, right? So finally, we're here with the next video for you guys, right? You guys been requesting these videos, right? And as of such, I'm putting out more content for you guys. So today, I'm here with the next content for you guys. But first thing first, what I want you guys to go over to my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at JAYSWAE_, right? So follow me on Instagram, and please guys, subscribe to the channel. Most people are watching the video, you not subscribe, you not like. Please subscribe to the channel. We want to reach, build up the subscribers and like the video so you can help with the YouTube algorithm, so other persons can find the videos as well, right? Also, last thing, go down to the comment section, and comment what you guys want to see or what you don't understand, or whatever it is. Whether something on your mind, comment down below. Ensure comment, and remember, subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell, because them things they help. Alright. Firstly, topic more get on. I don't know if you guys see some comments from my videos them recently, where some people say basically about Forex. They must say, like, they might recommend somebody like Mr. Anderson, help them to make $25,000 USD or whatever the case may be. The point is, what me I try to bring across is not for try to say exactly what the person must say, or because I don't remember, because as the comments them comment from my video, I delete them because those are scams. Don't fall for those video comments, you get me? Because them people are scamming and try to scam the money. So if you take up it for yourself and go ahead and email them and then they scam you guys, then I have nothing to do with it. Alright? As them comment on my video, I try to delete it as soon as possible. Alright? So just want to get some things out of the way, and yeah, see you guys. Joke, not in the next video, but yeah, we have something for you guys. Go on the intro. So as you guys may know, you guys been requesting, like asking in the comment section when to buy and when to sell. I know most of you guys are at a basic level, but I really want to explain some things to you about Forex before me actually get into the video. Alright, so first thing first I want to say is that Forex is not a get rich quick scheme. Right? So it is not something where you're going to lose a job because of the corona or whatever, and you say, yo, you go try this Forex thing you hear about, or people make money, you see people make money off Forex, so you go try it out and see if you can make money off it. No. One, you got to have a passion for it. Right? The reason I say if I have a passion for it, if you don't, as you're coming in with the money and you realize that it is not as easy as how you thought or how others make it seem, then you go and quit. Right? Second, when you lose money, you go and give up. Third, you're not going to be consistent. You get me? So if you don't have a passion for it, just leave it alone, go find a 9 to 5 job. You get me? You have to be dedicated. You have to be well motivated. Like if you lose 100 times, they say, yeah man, a brighter day go come. You get me? Because Forex is like that. Right? It takes the proper knowledge to actually get to where you want to be, right? So focus on the knowledge and don't rush the process. Trust the process and don't rush the process. Right? Just take your time, learn it properly, and just be consistent and patient. If you're not a patient person, trust me, Forex is not for you. You've got to be patient. Alright? So with all of that being said, we'll get into the video, which is when to buy and when to sell. I know you guys might, see if you can set the camera good, see if you can see this properly. So first thing first, when you open the metatrader platform, or sweating. Anyways, as you open the metatrader platform or the trading view platform, you're gonna see some things looking like these, right? And in order for you to know when to buy or when to sell, you've got to understand these things, right? So first thing first, you'll go over the name of these. Some of you guys might know these things already, and some don't. So this is actually part one of when to buy and sell, because honestly, Forex is not a thing where you can learn in 1 week, 1 month, or whatever. It takes years of experience. Some people in the market, a couple of years well before they become profitable how they want to be. You get me? So don't rush it. That's why I say trust the process. You get me? Take the time out and accumulate the right knowledge. You get me? So yeah, we are going to move into these. When to buy, when to sell. Alright? So when you open the MetaTrader app or a trading view, you're going to see these. Alright? These funny looking thing. And these are actually called Japanese candlesticks. Right? And I think they call them Japanese candlestick because if you look at a candle, most of you guys might see a candle before, right? And the candles actually look like these, where you have the part where the light or match or whatever, and this will be the part where it melts, right? So these are called Japanese candlesticks, right? And the Japanese candlestick has two parts, right? You have the wick. I don't know if you guys can see this part here with this pointy part go up top. This is the wick, right? Hope you guys can see it. Let me focus it on this. Alright, so I hope you guys can see it. So you have the wick, right? And you have the body of the candle. So two parts, the wick and the body, right? So when you open the, as I said, when you open the MetaTrader app or the trading view, you see these funny looking things, right? And they actually mean something. The market, like, don't tell you when to buy or when to sell, but the market communicates to you in sign languages. And these are the things that the market uses to communicate to you in sign languages. So if you don't understand these, you now know when to buy, basically. Point blank. So you got to understand the basic first, what these are saying to you before you can even move on. Right? So yeah, the market is made up of bulls and bears. And these are what they call bulls and bears. Right? Buyers and sellers. The market is made up of buyers and sellers. So I know most of you guys see these candlesticks in green and red. Right? So green would signify it's going up and red would signify it's going down. But I don't have the proper color to do all this. So I just use red one to go down, and the clear one here, yellow one or whatever you want to call it, to go up. But really, in fact, these Japanese candlesticks can be in any color you want to. So when you buy the trading platform, you can put them in whatever color you want to put them in. Right? So you don't necessarily have to be in green and red that you always see them in. Right? Persons just prefer to put them in it because green more signifies positivity and red sometimes signifies negativity, which is going down. Right? So yeah, the market is made up of bulls and bears. Right? Buyers and sellers. And the term that I use just now, that bulls and bears, if you don't understand, I'm going to explain it to you. So when a bull is attacking, right, a bull would attack with its horn, right, but from down to up, right. So that's the reason why it is called bulls. And this one will represent the bull because it starts at the bottom and it's going up, right. So this one would be bears because it starts at the top and go down. And how a bear attacks, it uses paw and it do like this, something like this. It is paw, crawl down, right? So that is the reason why they call it bears, bulls and bears. So it starts at the top, like the bear would stamp on him two back foot them and crawl down. You get me? So that's the reason why they call this bears. So bulls and bears. And also other terms you can use is bullish and bearish. So whenever you hear somebody say it is bullish or bearish, you understand whether bulls or bears are buyers and sellers. You get me? So those are the different terms they use to differentiate buyers and sellers. Right? So there's the next thing we want to move into with the candle. The open and the close of the candle. So with the bulls, that the one is going up, it opens here at the bottom. Right? Here. Not at the wick, here. Right? At the bottom. So it opens here and it closes at the top here. Right? So what this is actually saying, these candlesticks actually represent a certain time period. So if you have a trading platform on the daily time frame, 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, or whatever time frame it is, each one of these candlesticks will take that specific time frame to form. Right? So for instance, we have this the trading platform on the 1 hour time frame. Right? So after 1 hour time, the 1 hour period is finished, there will be a next candle form. right? And this candle would actually take 1 hour to fully form, right? So if it's 3 o'clock, when this closes, 4 o'clock, this one would close. You get me? And the next one will be looking to form again. You get me? So it's very simple. So yeah, this candle, the bullish candle opens at the bottom and it closes at the top, right? For the bearish candle now, it opens at the top and it closes at the bottom. Right? Hope you guys can see it. If you guys don't understand it, let me know in the comment section so I can do something more in depth on it, maybe on the computer to actually show you guys, because I don't know if you guys can really see it on this piece of paper here, because I plan on investing in a whiteboard so I can show you guys more. But for now, I have to use what we have, you get me, because you guys been requesting videos. So maybe as you can see, maybe have a proper lighting. So those are not little for you guys see me. So yeah, for the bears, it opens at the top and it closes at the bottom. Alright? As you guys can see, the wicks here. Alright? What these mean, you have the highest point at the top of the wick and the lowest point at the bottom of the wick. Same for both, whether the bullish or the bearish, with the wicks. Not with the opener, with the wicks. So the wicks, the highest point and the lowest point. So I'm going to explain to you what the wicks actually mean, because these wicks actually mean something and they are very, very, very important. Right? These are what I actually look out for when I'm placing my trades. Right? After I look at the market is in a bullish trend or a bearish trend or whatever. Those are what I actually look for. Right? So the wicks. Right? So you see the candle open this, use the bullish candle as an example. So it opens here at the bottom, right? It pushes all the way up, right, to the wick. So what this means is that at one point price actually came to this high where the wick was, right? But when price pushes back down, it leaves the wick to show you how far price actually came for that time period, whether the 1 hour, daily time frame or whatever. So if you have it and the 1 hour, within that 1 hour, you see price actually came up here at the top where the wick was, right? So it retraced back down and went back down and leave the wick to show you that price came up here. Same for the bottom part. Price actually came down here at once and it pushes back up, right? So that's what the wicks actually mean. They show you how high price went and how low price went. I don't have to explain the bearish one because it's the same thing as the bullish one, right? The next thing that I want to move on to explain is that for the bullish candle, whenever a candle closes, because this used to confuse me whenever I started out to trade, right, at first. For instance, a bullish candle close, right? Bullish candle close. Immediately after the bullish candle close, right? Remember the bullish candle close at the top, it opens at the bottom and it closes at the top. So what would happen? A new candle would form, right? And when the new candle formed, the new candle would form, started to form where the previous candle closed, right? So you see where the previous candle closed right here, so, right? The new candle that would start to form, it would start to form immediately where the candle closed. Same thing for the bearish one. So the bearish one it opens at the top and it's closed at the bottom. So where it closed, the new candle will start to form where it closed, right? Next thing that can get you confused, because you used to confuse me as well, is that, alright, for instance, this candle is bullish, right? So this candle close here and a new candle start to form. It pushes up, right? And you notice that you have the wick. So at one point it came down here. Whenever, for instance, this candle is green, right? It's bullish, so it's green. So the candle pushes up. Once the candle passes where it opens, right, and go in the opposite direction, the candle will automatically change color. So this will no longer be a bullish candle, this will be a bearish candle, because it passes where it opens, right, and goes down. So it would now be a red candle instead of a green candle or clear candle, as I have it here, whatever you guys want to call it, right? So once as we say, we elaborate on this, right? So hope you guys catch it. Once the candle passes where it opens and go in the opposite direction, the candle would switch. Like if it's bullish, it would now become bearish, and if it is bearish, it will now become bullish. Alright? So I hope you guys understand this. Let me know in the comment section if you understand all of that. And the last thing that I want to move on to, right, is trend. As I said before, this is just part one, guys, of many. If you guys want me to do more episodes, whatever the case may be, I'll definitely do it for you guys, because I want you guys to continue with your Forex journey, you know, make some money as well, you know. Alright, so the last thing that we will be looking at for today is trend. Alright, so the market has 3 phases. So you know, open the trading platform after you see these candlesticks and whatever, you go see the market with something like this, up or zigzag, zigzag, whatever. Alright, so the market has 3 phases. You have uptrend, downtrend, I have a consolidation. Right? So an uptrend and a downtrend and a consolidation. Right? So what this actually means, guys, in an uptrend you're looking for buys. Right? You're looking for buy opportunities. In a downtrend you're looking for sell opportunities. In a consolidation you do not trade. So once the market is consolidating, moving sideways, or consolidation, also known as sideways trend as well. Right? So once the market is moving a consolidation or sideways trend, you do not trade. Right? So you want to look for buys and sell opportunities. Right? So in an uptrend, price will do something like this. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Price is not going to move in one direction like this, go straight up so. Now, so the market will go up, right? And if the market is going down, the market, now when it's something like this, go straight down. It's going to make zigzag, zigzag, zigzag movement until it reach where it wants to reach. Right? As for the same for the downtrend. Right? So in the uptrend you have two phases of an uptrend. You have the push phase and you have the exhaustion. Right? But I will teach this more in depth because I want to do this on the computer to show you guys. Right? But what I want to explain, an uptrend consists of higher highs and higher lows. So this little peak right here would be the higher high, at the bottom would be the higher low, the top would be the higher high, bottom would be the higher low. Right? So this is a bullish trend. So this is a bullish trend, so you're looking for buys in a bullish trend. So whenever you hear somebody say the market is bullish, you know say the market is going up. Right? As for this, you have the lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and this is a downtrend, right? So looking for sell opportunities, and this is bearish. So whenever somebody say the market is bearish, you know say the market is going down, right? And next term that then people always used to tell you if the market is, well, not tell you directly if the market is going up or down, but tell you that the market is basically moving in a direction that you want to. Is they will use a term that say the market is trending. And when they say the market is trending, it means that the market is either pushing up, right, or the market is pushing down, not consolidating. So consolidation, you don't trade. Once the market is consolidating, you don't trade, right? For me, I can catch trade in a consolidation because I'm more advanced than you guys. You get me? So, but for you guys, just leave that alone for now. Right? So consolidation, a price in a consolidation, price is not creating higher highs or higher lows. Price is just zigzagging. You see how this create higher highs, higher lows. So this point, it will create a higher high. This high, I create this high is higher than this high, and this high is higher than this high. Right? Price is creating a higher high and higher lows. Right? Here's something like that now go on. Our price is creating lower highs and lower lows here. So with this consolidation, price is just moving zigzag. No higher highs is not forming and no higher lows is not forming. So yeah, I hope you guys get the basics and hope you guys do enjoy the video. Stay tuned for the next video, which is part 2 of when to buy, when to sell. If you guys want me to continue with the series, leave a like on the video, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell, and also yeah, give you guys a homework. Follow me on Instagram so you can send your homework to me. So I want you guys to be able to identify an uptrend, whether on metatrader or trading view. Identify an uptrend, a consolidation, and a downtrend, and screenshot them and write them on it and send it on the Instagram. Right, so that I give you guys homework. So make sure you do that. Practice, practice, practice. So you just request what you guys want to see and I'll put it in the next video. This is somebody that talk about buy stop loss and take profit. They don't understand it. But I'll probably put that in the next video. I'm not sure of it. But yes, stay tuned, you guys gonna learn all of that. You don't have to worry. I'm here with free knowledge for you guys, and not like you guys have to pay for all these knowledge, because I had to pay for simple things that you see me a teach right here. So right, I had to pay to learn all of these, and I'm giving you guys it for free. So I mean, just subscribe to the channel and just, you know, support the thing, because I like me a charge, you know, for learn all these things, because them here actually basics, and people out here, best believe people out here, I charge you a bag of money for learn all these things. You get me? So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Without further ado, see you guys in the next video.